Hey friends, it's Dawn with TwiceShearedSheep.com, and we had a question for a specific knitting technique in a pattern that a friend ran across this week. It's Vanilla by Annie Baker, and it's a free pattern on Ravelry, and it's this beautiful triangle scarf that has this fantastic little drop stitch detail to it, and it calls for a double wrap, but also a double wrap in a knit front back. So I'm going to demonstrate that real quick, and I hope that it helps you out. The drop stitch goes all the way across, including the knit front backs. So it says to wrap twice when you do your knit front back. So I'm just going to demonstrate real quick. So you're going to knit through the front of the stitch, wrap your yarn like you normally would, but rather than pull it through, go ahead and wrap it a second time. And when you pull it through, you can see you've got two loops now on your needle. Now you're going to knit through the back and wrap it again and pull it through. If you're an English knitter, it's pretty much the same thing. You're just going to stick your needle through to knit, then wrap your yarn once and again a second time and pull it through. And then you're going to go through the back loop back here, wrap it once and then again a second time and pull them both through. Easy peasy. And then you're going to continue with this particular pattern. Every stitch in this row is also double wrapped. So just knit your stitch and wrap twice and pull it through and continue on. When you come back the other direction, you want to make sure that you're dropping that extra loop. So you can see it's a stitch here with two loops for a single stitch. So go ahead and knit through the first loop and then just drop that second loop off. And that's what's going to make those long elongated stitches. That's what's going to make the elongated stitches and make that pretty pattern. So knit through the first loop of that double loop and drop off the second loop. And now that stitch is twice as big as the stitches previously. All right, so that's it. If you have any questions about something that you run across in a knitting pattern and you would like me to demonstrate, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I will do my very best to demonstrate all of the things so that your knitting life is so much easier. And if you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe and catch all the rest of the videos that we are putting out. I will see you next time, and thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.